Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about a weed that we see very frequently over the summertime, and this is a difficult weed to control. This one is called nutsedge. So this particular weed is called nutsedge. Some people mistake it for a grass. It's technically not a grass, but you can see it's a very upright growing plant. It tends to like being in a soggy area, but you'll see it sprout up all over the yard just regardless. It's a tough plant because there is no product that actually kills it. About the best we can do is treat it. There are several different names of products. One is called Sedgehammer. There's another one called Manage. They're all pretty much the same underlying product. But what those will do is to stunt it and make it stop growing for some weeks and maybe for the season if we're lucky. If it's particularly happy, it may come back out a month or two after we've treated it, and we have to come back and treat it again. But if once we treat it and you mow it down, generally speaking, it doesn't pop back up, at least for a while. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also send them on to your friends and family, and subscribe to our quick tip emails. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood lawn and landscape experts.